This is Mark Attar at Profile Properties. I'm standing in Maple Ridge just off the Haney Bypass, and this is 224th Street, and we're just across the street here looking towards the Fraser River, and we're going to see a 2-bedroom today at 11566 224th Street. This is our building. We've got a slight peak of the Fraser River, and we've got a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. The unit is actually just behind the trees right here. That's actually the bedroom of our unit. We've got a little balcony there as well. That's behind the tree and the pole there that you can see. And so we're going to have a little bit of street noise on this one, but also a peek of the river too. And so we'll take a walk inside, have a look. So we're here on the second floor. We're just looking at the elevator. We've got a stairwell that's beside our unit. And this is our apartment. We've got a little front closet at the entrance. And then you go in from here with the kitchen on your right to the main living space. We've got the electric fireplace in the living room. And we've got these huge windows that are almost floor to ceiling. Pretty good space in this one. We've got screens on the windows. You can see the Fraser River from the front window here. Through the trees, you can actually see the Portman Bridge if you get the right angle. And the kitchen. We've got the undermounted sinks. The microwave, I believe, might be going. Not sure if that's staying actually. Pretty good covered space. And the dishwasher. And towards the master bedroom. So true master with the ensuite inside. And I like how this unit is a sort of a corner unit. It's 90% corner, so it gives you these great windows in the master bedroom. Huge windows, 2 sides. And again, Portman Bridge through the blinds, and actually a really good shot of the river from here. Beyond the Haney Bypass, definitely a bit of traffic noise on this one. We've got double-sized closet here. I've got the doors open so you can see the organizers inside. And we've got an ensuite with a double-size walk-in shower. And again, because a corner unit, we do have a window on that side with the vanity. And we're going to have a look at the second bedroom, which has access to the balcony. We have organizers in here as well. No drawers, but hanging rods, double height, and the slider that leads out towards the balcony. So we have a main bathroom as well, this one with a tub. And looks like quartz countertops as well. We've got a little bit of storage as well on this one. Just off the living room and the hallway with the laundry space in here. There's a little extra space for some storage inside the unit. And we'll have a look outside. So the traffic is pretty quiet with the window closed, and then I'm going to open it to hear the difference. So we've got a little patio here, a little balcony. And this is what we're looking at. So we're looking out towards the Haney Bypass. And off in the distance is the Portman Bridge, and then this is the view that you get from the river. And so we'll just pause for a minute and take a look at the rooftop patio. So we just took a break from inside and heading up onto the common area rooftop here, which is for all residents to use, looking towards the river. And it has a little area on this side, looking towards the east. But I think the best part is the views looking towards the river. So there's a little area over here, just a bit of sitting area. And you can see Mount Baker off in the distance. And the river. So the West Coast Express station is just off to this side. Could almost walk to it. And we're gonna head back down inside. So if you are interested in this property, please call 604-464-7548. And this is Mark Attar at Profile Properties.